Good evening. This is Miss Stanley, and I am the math specialist at A.G. Richardson, so I thought it was appropriate that I read to you a fraction book. This one is called A Fraction's Goal, Parts of a Whole. The author is Brian Cleary, and the book was illustrated by Brian Gable. A Fraction's Goal, Parts of a Whole. Fractions are a portion, a piece, or just a part of something that is larger, like a segment on this chart. Or look at this round pizza. It can be cut in 2, or 4, or 6, or 8 or more, whatever best suits you. But let's say that it's cut in 2 and you pick up one slice. If you've got one piece out of 2, it's half to be precise. Next, cut that pizza into 4 and take one single piece. That's 1/4 now. Can you see how the size has been decreased? So now if someone wants half, 2 slices will be needed. 2/4 and 1/2 are the same. They're different ways to read it. Fractions also work with groups like 2/3 of the players, 7/8 of the jugglers, and 1/2 of the mayors. Pretend you have 3 uncles and 2 came for a visit. That would mean 2/3 were there. That's not so hard, now is it? Let's say the 3rd one then showed up to join in all the fun. That's one whole group of uncles, 'cause 3/3 equals 1. Fractions come in handy if you ever help with baking. You'll see them in the recipes for breads and cakes you're making. 3/4 tablespoon of salt, add 2/3 cup of flour, 5/8 cup of chocolate chips, and bake for 1/2 hour. The numerator is the word for the number that's on top, like the 3 that's in "we lost 3/10 of this year's crop." The number underneath the slash is a denominator. Note that nearly all the time this bottom number's greater. Fractions can be used in pizzas, planes, and cranes, and plants. You'll know more than just a portion if you give them half a chance. So, what is a fraction? Do you know? Sleep tight. I hope you have happy dreams that have fractions in them. Good night.